আমরা আশা করছি যে তারা এটা সক্রিয় বিবেচনায় নেবেন। আপনাদের সকলকে ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আমার কথা এখানেই রাখলাম। তাও রোহিঙ্গা ইস্যুতে আমরা অনুরোধ করেছি যে তাদের পুনর্বাসনের রিপ্যাট্রিয়েশনের জন্য তারা অ্যাক্টিভ রোল প্লে করবেন এবং আমরা আশা করি যে তারা যদি সেই রোল প্লে করেন তাহলে এই ক্রুশিয়াল যে প্রবলেমটা এটা সলভ করা সহজ হবে। ধন্যবাদ আপনাদেরকে। Now I am requesting our His Excellency, the Ambassador of Royal China, to brief our pressmen. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Today is a very important day. I just have a very good, constructive, positive discussion with Honorable Dr. Shafiq and the leadership of the Jamaah Islami. Jamaah Islami we used to have good relations with the Chinese Communist Party, with our embassy. But it has been affected during the last 30 years. And now we believe it's time to re-establish our close ties and restart our dialogue and cooperation. So today we discuss our future cooperation, either between the parties and between the two countries. So the message here we got is Jamaah Islami is supportive China-Bangladesh relations. Also, we for more cooperation investment from China to Bangladesh. And we also discussed a lot of common concerns regarding our cooperation. I restated our position that China will not intervene into any internal affairs of any country, and what happens inside Bangladesh will not in any way affect China-Bangladesh cooperation. So China is determined to have good relations with Bangladesh, and will have good relations with political parties which are supportive of our cooperation. Are also recommitted that China is supportive of Bangladesh, supportive of Bangladesh people, and supportive of this country government. We wish the Bangladesh leadership of the government and all the stakeholders' efforts this country will bring back the track of normalcy, stability, unity, development, and prosperity.